Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic. My topic is science.nasa.gov. Voyager discovered the science goals. Voyager I and its twin Voyager 2 are the only spacecraft ever to operate outside the holosphere, the protective bubble of particles and magnetic fields generated by the sun. Voyager I reached the interstellar boundary in 2012 while Voyager 2 traveling slower and in the different direction than its twin reached it in 2018. Featured the interstellar mission after completing the first in-depth recognition of the outer planets. The twin Voyagers are on a new mission to chart the edge of interstellar space. The Golden Record, the content of the Golden Record was selected of NASA by a committee led by Gary Sagan of Cornell University. The spacecraft, the twin Voyager, are escaping our solar system in different direction at more than 3 astronomical units. Explore the pale blue dot, the behind the scene story of the making of Voyager icon image of Earth as a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Discover more topic from NSA. The homepage of the Voyager. International observe the moon night over Saturday, September 14. Everyone on Earth is invited to learn about launcher science, participate in celestial observation, and honor culture and personal connection to the moon. Artemis 2 training on the latest episode of Houston. We have a podcast, the Artemis 2 Cruise Chief Training Officer discusses the complexity of astronaut training and what it takes to prepare the quarter for their mission around the moon. Waxing Gideon's moon over Minnesota. The waxing Gideon's moon is pictured from the International Space Station as it orbited 265 miles above the US state of Minnesota on December 17, 2021. More NSA images we from the Cupola Gallery. Earth Information Center for more than 50 years, NASA satellites have provided data on Earth's land, water, air, temperature, and climates. NASA Earth Information Center allows visitors to see how our planet is changing in six key areas: sea level rise and coastal impacts, health and air quality, wild free, greenhouse gases, suitable energy, and agriculture. The mission the human in space. Human in space, Earth, Moon, and Mars. With more than 20 years of operation in low Earth orbit, we are preparing our return to the Moon for long-term exploration and discovery before taking the next giant leap to Mars. Never has humanity endeavored to simultaneously urgent multinational inspection in lunar orbit, on the lunar surface, and at Mars, all while maintaining high demand government and private sector operations in low Earth out. Space Station Expedition. Expedition 71 began on April 5, 2024 and ends in September 2024. This crew will explore neurodegenerative disease and therapies, space botany, space caused, full shift, and algae based life sport. Why go to space? Human space exploration help to address this fundamental question about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. NASA exploration vision is ensured in providing value for humanity by answering some of the most fundamental questions. Why we were here? How did it all being? All we are alone? What comes next? So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you Allah.